The Hidden Wonders of St. Stephen's Cathedral, Secrets Revealed. A Vienna icon. St. Stephen's Cathedral, or Stephansdom, is one of Vienna's most iconic landmarks, embodying centuries of history, culture, and architectural brilliance. Situated in the heart of the Austrian capital, this Gothic masterpiece is more than just a place of worship. It is a symbol of Vienna's enduring spirit. With its towering spires, intricate sculptures, and vibrant roof tiles, St. Stephen's is a testament to human ingenuity and creativity. Beneath its grandeur, however, lies a world of hidden wonders and secrets that tell the stories of the people, events, and mysteries that have shaped its legacy. This detailed exploration delves into the history, architecture, and secrets of St. Stephen's Cathedral, offering a comprehensive guide to its treasures. Historical foundations and myths. The origins of St. Stephen's Cathedral trace back to the 12th century when a modest Romanesque church stood on the site. Commissioned in 1137, the church laid the foundation for the magnificent structure that would emerge over the following centuries. The cathedral as we know it began to take shape in 1359 under Duke Rudolf IV, who initiated its transformation into a Gothic marvel. Legend has it that the construction of the cathedral was fraught with supernatural influences. One popular tale recounts a pact between the cathedral's architect and the devil. Desperate to complete the project, the architect allegedly promised his soul to the devil in exchange for the cathedral's success. The devil, however, demanded that no church bells ring during the construction. When the architect tricked the devil by ringing a bell at a chapel nearby, the enraged devil cursed the cathedral, leaving it unfinished for centuries. Such stories contribute to the aura of mystery that surrounds St. Stephen's Cathedral. The South Tower, Steffels' legacy. The South Tower, affectionately called Steffel by locals, is the tallest structure of St. Stephen's Cathedral and a defining feature of Vienna's skyline. Standing at an impressive 136 meters, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city for those who brave its 343 narrow steps. The construction of the South Tower began in 1368 and took over 6 decades to complete. Its intricate Gothic design showcases the craftsmanship and attention to detail characteristic of the era. The tower's spire, adorned with crockets and finials, points heavenward, symbolizing humanity's connection to the divine. The South Tower is also home to the Pommern, one of Europe's largest free-swinging church bells. Cast in 1951 from the remains of the original bell destroyed during World War II, the Pommern has become a symbol of resilience and peace. Its deep, resonant chimes mark significant occasions in Vienna, from New Year's celebrations to solemn commemorations. The North Tower and its unfinished tale. In stark contrast to the South Tower, the North Tower remains incomplete, its truncated form a reminder of the challenges faced during its construction. Begun in the 15th century, the tower's progress was halted due to financial constraints and changing architectural styles. Today, it stands at a modest height of 68 meters, crowned with a Renaissance-style dome added in the 16th century. Despite its unfinished state, the North Tower holds its own charm. It houses a smaller bell known as the Eagle Bell and provides access to a viewing platform with unique perspectives of the cathedral's intricate roof tiles and the city beyond. The tower's story highlights the interplay of ambition, adversity, and adaptation in the history of St. Stephen's Cathedral. The roof, a kaleidoscope of symbolism. Perhaps the most distinctive feature of St. Stephen's Cathedral is its vibrant, multicolored tiled roof. Comprising over 230,000 glazed tiles, the roof forms intricate patterns and symbols that reflect the cathedral's significance. The southern side of the roof features the double-headed eagle, the emblem of the Habsburg dynasty, while the northern side displays the coats of arms of Vienna and Austria. The craftsmanship behind the roof is a marvel of engineering and artistry. Each tile is carefully arranged to create the geometric patterns that shimmer under the sunlight. The roof's steep incline, at 80 degrees, ensures efficient rainwater drainage and prevents snow accumulation during Vienna's harsh winters. The roof tiles are meticulously maintained by skilled artisans who periodically clean and replace them. This ongoing effort preserves the roof's brilliance, allowing it to remain a beacon of Vienna's artistic and architectural heritage. The Catacombs, a city beneath the cathedral. Beneath the grandeur of St. Stephen's Cathedral lies a hidden world, the catacombs. These subterranean chambers serve as a final resting place for thousands of individuals, offering a glimpse into Vienna's past. The catacombs are divided into two sections. The newer section, established in the 18th century, contains the remains of bishops, cardinals, and other prominent figures. Among them is the ducal crypt, where members of the Habsburg family are interred. This crypt is particularly unique, as it contains urns with the hearts and entrails of Habsburg royalty, reflecting the burial customs of the time. The older section of the catacombs is more somber, housing mass graves for victims of the Black Plague and other epidemics. The sight of neatly stacked bones and skulls evokes a haunting reminder of the challenges faced by Vienna in its history. Guided tours of the catacombs provide an unforgettable, albeit eerie, experience for visitors. Hidden chapels and artwork. Within St. Stephen's Cathedral are numerous chapels, each with its own unique history and artistic treasures. The Chapel of St. Barbara, for example, features a stunning altarpiece that depicts the saint's martyrdom with exquisite detail. Similarly, the Chapel of St. Valentine is adorned with intricate carvings and serves as a quiet space for reflection and prayer. The cathedral's artwork includes masterpieces such as the Wiener Neustadt altar, a triptych created in 1447. This altarpiece showcases detailed carvings and painted panels that depict scenes from the life of Christ. Other notable artworks include stained glass windows that date back to the Middle Ages, casting colorful light onto the cathedral's stone walls. Mysterious inscriptions and symbols. St. Stephen's Cathedral is shrouded in mystery, with cryptic inscriptions and symbols etched into its walls. Some believe these markings are connected to medieval guilds or secret societies, while others see them as protective charms or warnings. One intriguing symbol is the O5 inscription, thought to represent Austrian resistance during World War II. This discreet marking became a powerful symbol of defiance against Nazi occupation, demonstrating the cathedral's role as a beacon of hope in times of turmoil. The organ, a musical marvel. Music has always played a vital role in the life of St. Stephen's Cathedral. Its magnificent organ, comprising over 12,000 pipes, is a testament to this legacy. Originally installed in the 14th century, the organ has undergone numerous upgrades and restorations, culminating in its current form in 1960. The organ is used for religious ceremonies, concerts, and special events, filling the cathedral with its powerful, resonant sound. Its music enhances the spiritual atmosphere of St. Stephen's, creating a transcendent experience for visitors and worshippers alike. Modern restoration efforts. Preserving St. Stephen's Cathedral is an ongoing endeavor that requires meticulous planning and resources. The structure has faced numerous challenges over the centuries, including fires, wars, and natural wear. Following extensive damage during World War II, the cathedral underwent a massive restoration effort to rebuild and restore its splendor. Today, modern technology is used to monitor and maintain the cathedral's structural integrity. Laser cleaning techniques, for example, are employed to remove centuries of grime from its stone surfaces. These efforts ensure that St. Stephen's Cathedral continues to inspire awe for generations to come. Practical tips for visitors. Tickets and tours. Guided tours are available in multiple languages, offering insights into the cathedral's history and architecture. Rooftop tours and catacomb visits are highly recommended. Best times to visit. Early mornings and weekdays are ideal for avoiding crowds. Special events, such as concerts, provide unique opportunities to experience the cathedral's atmosphere. Accessibility. The cathedral is wheelchair accessible, with ramps and elevators available for key areas. Nearby attractions. Combine your visit with a stroll through Vienna's historic city center or a stop at a traditional Viennese cafe. Conclusion. A journey through time and mystery. St. Stephen's Cathedral is more than just a landmark. It is a living monument to Vienna's history, culture, and spirituality. Its breathtaking architecture, hidden chapels, and mysterious catacombs offer a wealth of discoveries for visitors. Whether you are drawn to its historical significance, artistic treasures, or spiritual ambience, St. Stephen's promises an unforgettable journey through the hidden wonders of Austria's past.